Okay. Now we'll go to transaction code OBD3. Actually, we're creating some company code, right? We'll complete it. /n OBD4. We'll do document splitting also. /n OBY6. Company code J2. /n SM12. Search. Select all. Delete. Delete. Next, go to transaction code OBY6. Company code J2. Chart of account. Fiscal year variant. Field status variant. Posting period variant. Save it. Now go to transaction code FINSC_ledger.
Sir, fiscal year variant V3 sir K4 ichcharu.
April, Jan to December, 4th special period, right? K4.
Sir.
Select leading ledger. Company code settings for the ledger. As per your requirement, you can follow anything. Okay, it was not fixed. I thought that my fiscal year variant it was K4. It is from Jan to December, 4th special period.
Okay.
Company code J2. Currency INR. Document currency. Group currency will take. Currency INR. Source currency will choose here document currency. Exchange rate type M. Standard translation at average rate. Document date. Save it. Now, okay, what is the first step, guys? Define vendor account groups. What is the T code, anyone? What is the T code to define vendor account groups? Anyone? Please open the particular
Sir,
notes.
OBD.
Okay. How many vendor account groups right now we'll create? Domestic, international, one time, right?
One
Now
time.
just go with the
Vendor.
inventories. Here we'll give J2 DB. Just click enter. In the meaning we'll enter domestic vendor for my company code J2. Next entry J2 IV. International vendor for J2. Next entry J2 OV. One time vendor for J2 and activate one time account. Okay, we don't want this one time vendors address. Just click on save. Accounts payable J2. Okay, now what is the next thing, guys? Define number range interval for different vendor account groups. What is the T code, anyone?
SKN1.
XKN1. Good. Now just come here and click on change intervals and check the free intervals. According to the free interval, just move ahead. So here you can see some interval was open, so we'll move ahead with this. Copy it, cancel. Now just go to top. You created 3 different account groups, domestic, international, one time. So our company code is J2. So with the GA, it was only one thing was there. So I'll enter here. You can give any alphanumerical characteristics. Next JA, JB, not one, 150, JC, 151, 160. Just click enter. Now save it. What is the T code, guys, to assign vendor account group to number range interval? Anyone?
OBA3, sir.
OBAS. OBA3, it is for tolerance, right?
Yeah.
Now click on position, account group J2, DV. Number range we created JA, JB, and JC. Now just click enter, then save it. Next, what is the next step, guys? Create reconciliation account for different account groups, right?
Yes.
So what is the T code? FS00.
0.
Now click on create. Here reconciliation, here creditor is nothing but current liability, right? So these three different vendor account groups we create under current liability. Is it clear, guys? Now account type, balance sheet, account group, current liability. So here enter domestic vendor reconciliation account. Even though it was a balance sheet item, what we said, what are the current liabilities and current assets you take? What are the things what there in the balance sheet? You will activate balance in local currency only. But for reconciliation account, don't activate it. And here you can see one more field, recon account for account type, you have to activate vendors. And sort key, here even though it is a current liability, don't activate open item management. I told you for outstandings, we'll activate open item management, but for reconciliation accounts, we'll not make it. Vendor number, field status group, G067 reconciliation account. Now click on save. Now click on change company code, J2. You can see right now what you created, domestic vendor reconciliation account. Now select it. Copy. Continue. Continue. Type out description. Right now you created domestic vendor, so we'll create next one, international vendor. Save it. Next, select it. Next number. It is one-time vendor reconciliation account. Any doubts to anyone? Okay, what is the next step, guys? Define tolerance for vendor. Guys, anyone having any doubts, please raise the queries. Actually, these things already we discussed in the last session, right? So that is the reason for moving fast. If anyone having any kind of doubt, just raise the queries. Is it clear or not? To all.
Yeah, yes, sir, it's clear.
Krishna, Padmaja and Srikanth. Krishna Reddy, Padmaja and Srikanth. Is it clear?
Sir, clear.
Next.
Okay,
What is
sir.
the next?
Clear.
What is the next thing? Define tolerance. So whenever we does a transaction with the vendor and customer, we used to put some limits. So we used to give tolerance. Okay, that is the purpose. Just give the company code. Okay, that's it. Next, what is the define document type? Number range interval. What is the T code? OB A7. What are the three different document types we are having? Predefined document types KZ, KA, KR. So first we'll check KZ, it was 15. KA it should be 17, KR it should be 19. Actually these 15, 17, 19 numbers are predefined. Okay, just give the company code, intervals. Okay, it is rewards. I will go with copy option,
Sir,
guys. No
sir,
problem.
company code J2, sir.
Yeah, change right now. So here I just copied the number range interval of J1. Now you can see under J2 all these number range intervals. Is it clear?
Okay.
This is company code J2, right? Now click on change interval. Within the J2, what are the different number range intervals over there? You can see. We just went through copy of J1. Next, what is the next one? Define business partner number range. Business partner account group number range. What is the T code? BUCF, right? Now click on change intervals. Click on free intervals. Now go with this. JA JB JC enter, save it. Now we'll define business partner by using path SPRO SAP reference IMG cross application components SAP business partner basic settings, number ranges and grouping, and define grouping and assign number ranges. New entries will enter here J2DV. J2 is our company code underscore domestic vendor business partner. Number range JA J2IV international vendor business partner JB. Next J2OC one time vendor business partner JC. Now just click on save. Now click on back. Right now what we have done, we define vendor account group as well as we define business partner. Now we link it where we'll assign it where in master data synchronization. Go to master data synchronization, customer or vendor integration, then business partner settings, settings for vendor integration, then assign keys. Here define number assignment direction BP to vendor in case of implementation project, and define number assignment for direction vendor to BP we use in case of migration. Some organization what they does existingly they may use R3 or ECC. Now they wants to convert to S4HANA. At the moment they will choose the they are already having existingly vendor, so they will convert it to BEP. As we discussed earlier, business partner configuration is must and should in S4HANA. Okay, now we are moving for implementation. So BB2 vendor will select. Execute it. New entries. Grouping is nothing but business partner account group. What we define? J2 DV. J2 domestic vendor business partner. A group is nothing but our vendor account group. J2 DV. The number range we are not given the same, so we'll activate flexible grouping. In practice server, don't activate same numbers. Okay, it will give hiccups, so please be careful. J2 IV, J2 IV, J2 OV, J2 OV,
So, OC, you wrote.
okay, given we see.
You
Okay.
given OC, sir.
No problem, no problem. J2 OV, okay. Save it. Number range grouping H200 and account group H200 are different. No. H200. Save it. LAN1. So if they give same number, it will give in this sort of things. LAN1. So these fellows were activated. Same numbers. If they activate same number, others can't do the practice. Okay, it will provide hiccups. So activate only same flexible grouping, guys. Save it. Now new entries J2 DV, J2 DV, flexible grouping J2 IV, J2 IV. Okay, we are given it as J2 OC, guys, for the one-time vendor. Save it. You can see now data was saved. Now what we have to do, you have to create the business partner. Okay, first we create business partner under general role. You can create as a person, organization or group, so we'll go with the organization. Here must and should, you have to select a group is nothing but business partner. First you have to create the business partner, then you have to convert him as per your requirement. Here what I'm selecting, business partner general role. Is it clear? J2 domestic vendor business partner. Title company. We'll select the name here, Tata Consultancy. Tata Consultancy Service. Search term Tata Consultancy. Street name, I'm giving the same name of company. and lane 1, house number 1, postal code 123123, city. Okay, I'm giving just name of the particular organization, country IN, region Maharashtra, post box name I'm just giving 1, postal code 123123. I must and should you guys has to select this language, otherwise it will trigger error, so be careful. After giving all these inputs, every time you have to click on check before saving the data. Here now you can see guys, data of business partner is error free. Now click on save. You can see here business partner already exists with the particular number /n. Okay, we'll go with the path spro. We'll change the number range guys. Cross application components. It's into business partner, basic settings, number ranges and grouping, define grouping and assign number ranges, J2 DV. Okay, I'll give here for this JC. For JC, I'll give JA. Now we'll save it. For time, go to transaction code BP, organization, title, name, street, house number 1, postal code 123123, city, IN, country 03, Assam, postal code, language English. Now just click on check, click on save. Now you can see here 90151 business partner right now you created. Now after creating business partner under general role, what you guys has to do, you has to click on switch between display and change, then change the business partner role. Here now I want to create under FI supplier financial accounting, select it. Now you got one option here, you will get usually company code, or go to more option and select company code. Now give your company code. If it was having other company code, then just click on switch company code and give the company code J2. Go to reconciliation account, select okay under which group you want to create, and sort key vendor number, payment transaction 0001, immediately payable. Sometimes vendor becomes customer at the moment we view here turning. Okay, no, not required. Save this. Is it clear till now? If anyone having any doubts, please raise the queries.
Yes.
Okay, what is the next thing guys? Related to down payment, right? Now you guys has to create down payment GL account as special GL. So where you has to go FS00. Actually down payment, what you wants to make payment, okay,
Assets.
it is a current asset, right? Yes or no guys? The down, yesterday we discussed now, down payment whatever you gives to the vendor, it is current asset. Down payment to vendor account. Now just click enter and save it. Now here you're paying down payment to 3 different vendors groups. So go to transaction code, OBYR and assign it. Under current asset, chart of account, 3 different reconciliation accounts we are having right now. 3 lakh, 3 lakh 1, 3 lakh 2 one time. In special GL, 2 lakh. Now just click enter and save it. Next, we create payment terms. So to create payment terms, we go to transaction code OBB8. Here, customer to customer and vendor to vendor, the terms and conditions will vary. So please keep in mind. In this payment term name, I am giving here J201. So if I pay within 15 days, I will get 2% discount. If I pay within 30 days, I will get 1% discount. After 60 days, there will be no discounts. And this payment term will be applicable to both vendor and customer. So I activated both. And here I calculate baseline date as document date. Here guys, if I raised the particular invoice on today, just imagine today is the 1st of January, it becomes due after 60 days. So it becomes due on 3rd or 2nd or 3rd of March. Because you're giving 60 days as grace days indirectly. 2%, 15, 30 days, and after 60 days, no discount. Save it. Now, here we assign this payment term to the business partner 90151. 900151. Go to payment transaction, erase it. What was our payment transaction? J201. Save it. Okay, next what is that guys? You want to create discount GL account. So here whatever the particular vendor gives you discount, it is income. Is it right? Now go to transaction code FS00, create file like account type, primary cost of revenue, income. Discount received. Control data. So we'll give your vendor number, no problem. G001. Save it. You'll assign this discount GL account for automatic posting. So you go to transaction code OBXU. Continue. Discount received from whom vendor. First of all, save it. Use Dropbox. Start search. Discount received. Now save this. Now, guys, regarding this, if anyone having any doubts, please raise the queries. So here, is it clear guys regarding the first configuration step? Define vendor account group, OBD3.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Padmaja,
Yes,
Krishna
sir.
Reddy, any doubts? Number range interval,
Okay, sir.
assignment, and then creation of reconciliation accounts. Then tolerance, document types, then number range interval for business partner, Then define business partner and assign number ranges. The assignment of vendor account group and business partner account group. Is it clear regarding these basics?
Yes.
Anyone having any doubts, please raise the queries. Now come to down payment. Is it clear? What we created? Advance to vendor under reconciliation of current assets, right? Then we assign to different vendors, sorry, reconciliation account groups. No OBYR. Then we created payment terms. Then we assigned payment term to the vendor. Then we created discount GL and we assigned for automatic payment posting. Is it clear regarding these 6 steps of down payment
Yes.
and terms and condition?
Yes.
Padmaja,
Yes, sir.
Krishna Reddy,
Yes, sir, clear.
Srikanth.
Sir, clear.
Okay, now we'll go for unit testing, guys. And before going to the unit testing, guys, what will be the entry when you purchase a good directly?
Directly
Yes.
purchases to
Purchase a
bank or
cash
cash.
or bank or cash.
Purchases account data to cash or bank, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you purchase through vendor,
Purchases to vendor account.
purchases to vendor account. Is it clear? Particular journal entry. Guys, there is a opening for freshers in one of the organization of Bangalore. Okay, I'll provide you details in the next session, guys. Okay, we'll check it and I will provide you the details. No need to worry. Now come here. Okay. Expenses. Purchases account. Control data. Sort key 001. Field status group G001. Save it. Okay, it was saying that we are not activated balance in local currency. Okay. Now, what will here when you make a payment advance to the vendor, we use T code F-48. You can see here post vendor down payment. Document date means what? The date when the transaction was happened.
Okay.
And posting date means the date when you posted in your company code reference. Just do REF. Header text is nothing but narration of journal entry being advance paid to vendor account. We use Dropbox. We'll select the vendor and special GL indicator advanced.
Yeah.
Down payment current assets. Bank GL account number we'll use. So here I'm giving down payment 20,000. We'll select a value date. Being advance paid to vendor. Now just click enter. Amount star text plus. Now click on post. You can see here document 51 was posted in company code, right? Now we'll raise purchase invoice. So we use T code F-43. Select document date, reference being goods purchased. Select your window. I'm gonna purchase 50,000 worth of good, guys. So I'll enter in the purchase invoice full amount. But with this vendor already, how much you made the payment, down payment? 20,000, right? Please give me a sign.
20,000. 20,000.
Being goods purchased, posting key 40, and select here purchase GL account. Amount or okay, give this number, no problem. Now click on post. Now clear the advance. To clear the advance, what is the T code, guys? Anyone? F-54, right?
Yes, sir.
Document date, preference being advance cleared. So 20,000 amount we are clearing right now regarding this vendor being advance cleared. Select it and post it. Okay.
సార్ అక్కడ పోస్టింగ్ కి 50 ఇవ్వాలి కదా సార్.
No. 1 minute, guys. Posting. I'll go to transaction code /n ob41, posting key 39, special jail, field status, account assignment, now save it. Now go to transaction code OBD3, go to transaction code OBD3 and check the field status. J2DV domestic vendor. Here go to company code data. We'll check all the things, guys. Account management optional. Okay, when you create the vendor, okay, in BP these fields will be there, whether we want to select it or not. We'll check through it. Interest communication and payment transaction. Okay, once we'll clear it. F-54 document date, select it. Now post it. Just 1 second, guys. Posting key 39 and special JL indicator A were transferred. When the data comes from the to be guaranteed. Let's wait, guys. OBYR. Down payment to vendor. Slash n dash 48. Dash 54. P41. Dash 54. Select it. Now it will accept. It still document, simulate, document, simulate. Now click on post. Being noise cleared. Being noise cleared. Now we'll go to transaction code FB L1N to view vendor line item display. Select all items, execute. You can see here 50,000 worth of good we are purchasing right now. 20,000 we had given the down payment. What was the balance? 30,000, right?
30,000. Yes.
As per the terms and condition, you are allowed to get 2% discount if you pay within 15 days. Now,
15
please
days.
anyone please tell me what is 50,000 into 2%? It is 1,000, right? Now, actually how much you require to pay? 30,000, but you're
30,000.
getting 1,000 discount, right? So the final effective price you want to make payment only 29,000. Is it clear?
29,000. Yes.
Now go to transaction code F-53 and clear the invoice. Reference being goods purchased, being purchase invoice cleared, account 2,01,000. How much will enter? 29,000 only. We'll select value date. text being invoice cleared. Okay, no problem. Here we'll select vendor. Now here, as per the terms and conditions, okay, actually you purchased worth of good 50,000 and you made down payment 20,000 and you paid within 15 days. Okay, so here you're getting 2% discount, the value of rupees 1,000. So here 50,000 minus 1,000 minus 20,000, it is 29,000. So we enter 29,000 only. You can see not assigned value 0. Now click on post. Next entry. And then is cleared. Now click on post. Now again go to transaction code FB03 and check the document number 52. Actually, while you post a transaction right now, you are not given the discount GL account, right?
Yes.
And you enter the amount only 30,000, but the system picked automatically as per the vendor master data what you were mentioned in terms and condition. Is it clear?
Yes.
Any doubts? No.
No.
So check the vendor balance. We use T code K10N or vendor number 1 lakh.
Well,
Execute. We selected K4 variant, right? So this is 9th month, 50,000 balance. Okay, regarding this, if anyone having any doubts, please raise the queries.